Good morning, all. Let's start our unit number second, presentation of financial statement. Okay. In last lecture, we will discuss about in short financial statement, the presentation of financial statement. Then हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ा था अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड रोल एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव, राइट. देन मीनिंग ऑफ अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड, नेचर, then objective, compliance, advantages, disadvantages, need and its important. Then accounting standard in India. Okay, that means evolution of accounting standard. Accounting standard किस तरह से इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ ये हमने ऑलरेडी लर्न किया है. सो हम अब आज न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट लर्न करेंगे. रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ international accounting standard. So accounting standards are the set of guidelines that are followed for the financial reporting and accounting across the world. That means accounting standard is not only related to the India but also foreign. Okay, that means across the border. These standards are superseded by the International Financial Reporting Standard. They are issued by the International Accounting Standard Board. जो कि हमने पढ़ा है, जो अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड है किसने इश्यू किए हैं? इंटरनेशनल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड बोर्ड ने इश्यू किए. दे रिक्वायर्ड आर एज अंडर फर्स्ट कंसिस्टेंसी. तो क्यों हम अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो करते हैं? बिकॉज कंसिस्टेंसी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट. That is why accounting standard is very important thing. So financial statement must be prepared consistent. Because हम financial statement consistently क्या करते हैं? प्रिपेयर करते हैं. हर साल प्रिपेयर करते हैं. ऐसे नहीं कि एक साल प्रिपेयर किया, 2 साल बीच में गैप लिया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. That means accounting statement or financial statement must be prepared consistently. The same accounting method should be followed year after year unless there is any changes required. म्हणजे काय म्हटलं जातं थोडक्यात? फॉर एक्झाम्पल अकाउंटिंगच्या ज्या मेथड्स आहेत किंवा ज्या अकाउंटिंगच्या मेथड्स आहेत ह्या कन्सिस्टंटली आपण काय करत असतो? त्याच फॉलो करत असतो. गरज असेल तरच त्या चेंज केल्या जातात. अदरवाइज हिअर वी फॉलो अकाउंटिंग मेथड्स कन्सिस्टंटली इयर बाय इयर. Second point, accrual basis. So accounting should be done on the accrual basis and not on the cash basis. That means accounting, it is not only recorded only cash transaction. Okay, account record accrual basis. That means both transaction recorded in accounting. Like a accrual, that means credit basis and cash basis. Okay. Point number 3, fair presentation. Financial statement must present true and fair view of the position of the company. जो कि हमने ऑडिट में भी पढ़ा है, राइट. फिनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट क्या करता है? एक ट्रू एंड फेयर पिक्चर शो करने का काम करता है. Going concern, that means the entity will be continue in activities for the foreseeable future. That means going concern में हमने पढ़ा था कि हमारा, हम अज्यूम करते हैं कि हमारा बिजनेस कंसिस्टेंटली चलता रहेगा. इट शुड नॉट बी डिसकंटिन्यू. ओके, वो डिसकंटिन्यू नहीं होगा. प्रूडेंट कॉन्सेप्ट, द कंपनी शुड नॉट बी overestimate profit or undervalue of the obligation. So revenue asset should not be overstated. So prudent concept में क्या बताता है? हम बताते हैं कि जो भी है ना वो क्लियरली क्या करो? डिफाइन करो. दैट मीन्स overestimated, overestimated and underestimated, both things are avoided. हाँ, कम भी नहीं और ज्यादा भी नहीं. That means the company should not be overestimated profit or undervalue of obligation. Next, materiality. Financial statement should include all material items. So material का मीनिंग क्या बताया था? Material item means importance. Okay, material का मीनिंग है importance item are recorded in the financial statement. So financial statement should include all material item. Such item influence the decision of the users of financial statement because जो मटेरियल आइटम है फिनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट में, उसके हिसाब से हम क्या करते हैं, डिसीजन लेते हैं. ओके, दैट मीन्स मटेरियल आइटम रिकॉर्डेड इन फिनेंशियल अकाउंट और फिनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. कंपेरेबिलिटी. The financial information should be comparable across the period and entities. For this, uniform accounting policy should be followed. So हम क्या करते हैं, कंपेयर करते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने बताया था, एक साल हम ट्रेंड फॉलो करेंगे, मतलब ट्रेंड कैलकुलेट करेंगे, देन कॉमन साइज कैलकुलेट करेंगे, कंपैरेटिव कैलकुलेट करेंगे. So we can easily compare our accounting method and accounting tools year by year, as well as inter as well as intra. Okay, so it is very important thing. Next is the relevance. The information presented should be relevant to the users for the decision making. The information presented should be relevant to the users for decision making. So जो भी information है, जैसे हमने बताया था, accounting information is useful for the accounting information or financial information is useful for the stakeholders to take a various types of decision. Okay. Next, reliability. The information must be accurate, verifiable, and should not be based on the subjective estimated. That means financial statements show the objective type of information, not any biased information. Right? That means when we follow accounting standard, so we can easily understood these are the reliable information, right? So these are the relevant information. These are the compatible information, like that. Then substance over form. Financial statement should reflect the economic substance of the transaction rather than merely their legal form. Okay. So financial statement focus on economic substance. जो भी इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, as per the structure, as per the framework, as per the guideline, here we maintain the accounting transaction. But here, as well as here, we focus on economic substance. Those are related to money and money's worth. That means customer satisfaction. We are not recorded in the financial state. Okay, here we just recorded the monetary transaction. Here we cannot record the non-monetary transaction. Right? Like attitude, behavior, satisfaction, employees class, not necessary. Okay. Next, segment reporting. So business organization must report information by segment to facilitate better understanding. So segment reporting is very important thing. Business organization must report information by segment to facilitate better understanding. Segment means here we classified our business in very smaller part for easily understood a particular thing of a particular department. For example, when we prepare the departmental account, when we prepare the branch account, so at that time we can easily understood the exactly profitability of the particular department. That means segmentation. So financial statement cannot concentrate only whole organization when we need it. So here we focus on segmentation also. Okay, that means particular department, particular branch, etc. Clear? Next, measurement of financial position and performance. The financial position is reflected through the income and expenses. We will learn many times, right? The financial position is reflected through the income and expenses, because here we maintain trading account, profit and loss account, and balance. Right? So we all know trading account and profit and loss account indicate the income and expenses, and balance sheet indicate the asset and liability. As simple as that, we can easily understood the exactly financial position of the company. And disclosure, the financial statement must disclose sufficient information to help the users to understand the financial performance of the entity. So financial statement is enough to take a decision, okay, for a various stakeholder. That means investor can easily take decision regarding investment with the help of financial statement. Shareholders also take decision with the help of financial statement. That means financial statement must disclose sufficient information. टू टेक अ डिसीजन। सो हर एक कोई इजीली डिसीजन क्या कर सकता है, ले सकता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट। मतलब क्रेडिटर कंफ्यूज नहीं होगा और एम्प्लॉयज भी नहीं कंफ्यूज होगा, कस्टमर भी नहीं कंफ्यूज होगा, बिकॉज फिनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट डिस्क्लोज सफिशिएंट इंफॉर्मेशन, एज सिंपल एज दैट। इज इट क्लियर? फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट रिवाइज करते हुए शॉर्ट में देखो, हमने लर्न किया है रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड व्हेन वी प्रिपेयर और व्हेन वी फोकस ऑन, व्हाई वी फोकस ऑन इंटरनेशनल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड। क्यों हमें रिक्वायरमेंट है? बिकॉज हमारा बिजनेस कंसिस्टेंट है। ओके, consistent like a going concern. Accrual basis, because here we maintain monetary as well as non-monetary transaction. Accrual basis. Fair presentation, when we follow international accounting standard, we can see it is the fair presentation. That's why. Going concern, here we assume our business in continuously going. That's why. Then prudent concept showing not overestimated or underestimated profit, loss, income, expenses, etc. etc. Materiality, that means here we focus on only important items in the financial statement. Materiality, that means very important item showing in the financial statement. Comparability, that means here we compare our performance in the last year or a specific branch or specific department, etc. etc. Like a trend analysis, like a ratio analysis, like a common size comparative, etc. Relevance, the information presented should be relevant to take a decision. Reliability, when we focus on international accounting standard, we can easily understood this information is a very reliable. Okay, substance over form, that means here we focus on economic substance. Okay, legal as well as economic substance. Segment reporting means here we focus on a specific segment also, as well as overall the organization. We can easily understand the exactly picture of the organization as well as a specific performance of the particular department. That means segmentation. Measurement of financial position and performance, because financial statement reflect through the income and expenses. That's why we can easily measure, we can easily understand the exactly position. And last, disclosure, sufficient information disclosed by financial statement. That's why we can take easily decision. Is it clear? That is why here we can say requirement of international accounting standard is very important thing for this. Is it clear question? Okay. We will continue next question in next lecture. Thank you.